Hi guys, I'm Shani. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lynn Ngomane. So guys, I'm back with another video. So guys, as I mentioned on my previous video, that we are going to look at things that are being sold and on Afrimat. So today we are going to look at one of those things, which is a ball pit pool. So what is that? A ball pit pool is actually a container that is filled with colorful plastic balls in which children can play. So guys, if you go to Afrimat on their website, you will definitely find this thing. It is being sold for 27,515 rand. So guys, I'm not sure if it includes shipping. So what you need to do, it is to go there and do your own research and contact them. They've got their contact details on their website, so you can phone them and ask anything that you need to know about this item. So why did I choose this thing? It is because you can buy this thing and rent it out on amusement parks, or you can rent it out for birthday parties. It is going to be a unique business because I've never seen this type of business before here in South Africa. Even if it is available, for sure it is only a few people who are doing this thing. So you can buy this thing and rent it out for say 1,500 per day. It will be up to you on how much you want to rent it out, but please do your own research and find out how you can work it out. So guys, I will actually attach a video on this one so that you can actually see what I'm talking about. So please do check it out and enjoy it, and I hope you will try it out. Thank you so much.
Welcome to our YouTube channel. Today we are exploring the fun and excitement of a ball pit pool. Jumping into a ball pit pool is like stepping into a giant sea of colorful balls. The soft and squishy balls make the perfect cushion for all your wild and crazy jumps. You can dive, flip, and do all sorts of acrobatic tricks without worrying about getting hurt. The sensation of sinking into the balls creates a thrilling and weightless feeling. Swimming through the sea of balls is like being in an underwater adventure. The bright colors of the balls create a visually stunning and vibrant atmosphere. The ball pit pool is a fantastic way to release your stress and let your inner child come alive. It's a perfect place for kids to have hours of endless fun and laughter. But don't worry, adults can also indulge in the joy of the ball pit pool. The ball pit pool is not just a fun activity, it also provides numerous benefits for both physical and mental well-being. Playing in the ball pit pool stimulates the senses and boosts cognitive development. It's a great way to relieve anxiety and stress, promoting relaxation and a sense of calm. The ball pit pool can also be used as a therapeutic tool for children with sensory processing disorders. With the variety of ball colors and sizes, it sparks imagination and creativity. You can pretend to be an astronaut floating in space or a deep-sea explorer searching for hidden treasure. Parents can join in on the fun and create special memories with their children. Birthday parties and indoor play centers often include a ball pit pool as a highlight of the festivities. It's a social activity that encourages social interaction, teamwork, and sharing. The ball pit pool provides a safe and controlled environment for children to play and explore. Whether you're a child or an adult, you'll find yourself grinning from ear to ear as you immerse yourself in the ball pit pool. So, why wait? Get ready to jump, swim, and splash into the sea of colorful balls in the ball pit pool.